Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 119 summary. Here in this first clip, we're about to watch a Ukrainian suicide drone fly into an oil refinery in the Rostov-on-Don area and explode, causing irreparable damage to the refinery.
Да нет, конечно. Не вижу. Не вижу.
The drone has now exploded onto the refinery. And now a fire is burning out of control.
Такие дела, чуваки, блин.
With the destruction of this refinery, 1% of Russia's oil production was destroyed by a single drone that only cost a mere few $1,000s.
Ну да, с той стороны прилетел.
Че, работу останавливаю, нет? Завод горит, ёпта, бегите отсюда. Завод взорвали, блядь.
Сейчас он сейчас дальше пойдет, надо валить отсюда.
In this next clip, we see Ukrainian soldiers fighting from inside of one of the industrial buildings within Severodonetsk. We can see that this man has been firing his gun so much before the film even started that the suppressor is smoking. We can now see him grabbing some stuff off of the ground before the film ends. In this next clip, we can finally see the brand new Ukrainian MLRS working. This is based off of a modern Ukrainian chassis using a very similar MLRS system to, say, an Uragan, but it is on an entirely new chassis and does have a new fire control system, which allows for the MLRS barrage to be aimed much more accurately. We can now see it moving down the roads. It appears that the turnings radius on this thing is about as good as a Ford F-150. We can now see them preparing to fire the MLRS, adjusting the tubes, then preparing the rockets. Finally, the first rocket is fired. And now the barrage will then commence, as we can see now in full speed. We can now see that they've stowed the rocket launcher, and now they are once again on their way, a typical shoot and scoot operation, although we do not know how long it actually took them to set up and then take down. We can see here some Ukrainian partisan activity, which is kind of something that we don't see much of, but of course is something that's occurring behind the front lines. We'll try and get some more information on that as time goes by. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.